You heard it from everyone, get a dash cam. It will protect you from all the accidents and it will cover exactly what happened during any accidents or any sort of incidents that happen while you're driving and any sort of insurance issue and all that, because it will be crystal clear on exactly what happened. So you go online, you buy it, you have the dash cam, you have the whole kit, it has a cigarette lighter plug, and now what? How do you install this thing? Gotta route the cable from the overhead, you gotta go all the way down, go through the A-pillar, go down, and then figure out how to wire everything so that it plugs into your cigarette lighter. And that could just become a pain. And next thing you know, it's just sitting in your bookshelf, being like, okay, I'll get to it eventually. It's just too much work. So for all of you guys there, we have a really quick solution for you. Introducing our beatsonic dash cam power unit. It's a plug and play power unit that will power up your brand new dash cam that's been sitting down on your bookshelf, ready to go. And this here comes with a lot of features. One, it comes with 3 different connectors, USB Type-C, mini USB, and micro USB to ensure that you are covered depending on what dash cam you purchase. And this will basically cover almost all the dash cam out there, and I guarantee this will save you a lot of time and headache, and it'll actually convince you to get your dash cam installed. And what's cool about this is when your car turns on, your dash cam turns on automatically, and when you turn off your car, your dash cam will turn off with your car to prevent any parasitic battery drain. All right, let me show you what's inside the box. So included in the kit will be the main power unit. It's very, very small in size. If you have enough room up there, you can even tuck this behind under the overhead carpet, or you can even tuck it under your center control piece right behind your rear view mirror. If you don't have any space, don't worry, because we're gonna include a double-sided tape to this where you can paste on the top of your front windshield. It'll be very stealth because of its size. So on this dash cam piece, there's 2 connections. One side is going to be USB Type-C, and the other side will be our proprietary connector. And let me show you how everything connects. So here is our main harness that comes with the kit. And with this harness, all you have to do is plug it like that. And these 2 connectors will connect to the factory connectors located right behind your rear view mirror. You'll find the exact matching connectors there. Very easy to install. And the other side where the USB Type-C plug is, you have 3 cable choices depending on your dash cam. We got the mini USB cable, micro USB cable. We also have the USB Type-C cable. And if your dash cam is a USB Type-C and it already comes with a cable, you might not even have to use this. You could just plug it right in here and everything will work seamlessly. This will cover just about all the dash cams that are available on the internet today. So be confident it will work with your dash cam. The other dash cam hardwire kits require to route everything down all the way to your fuse box and tapping into it, which means you end up not being able to utilize your factory fuse box cover that has all the indicators on it, and its big potential of it falling off as well while you're driving. It could get knocked off very easily. And another method is plugging into your cigarette lighter jack, but we use those cigarette lighter jacks. For me personally, I use it to inflate my tires, and I don't want anything to be in the way when I'm trying to inflate my tires, and my dash cam will not be on, and I might even forget to plug it back in. Even going back to the fuse box tab, if it falls off accidentally, you don't notice it, now you are not covered when you may need it the most. Whereas our kit here, it incorporates beautifully behind your rear view mirror, all plug and play, all basically wire free, and very clean and very reliable as well. And now let me show you how all this installs. Very, very easy. All we need to do is get behind your rear view mirror, find the cover, pop it off. You don't need any special tools, and you'll find these matching connectors. You'll unplug it from the factory connector. You'll plug this in its original location, and on the female side, you'll plug whatever was on the original location into here. There are no doubts about whether it was the right connector or not, because that's gonna be the only connector there. And after you connect these connectors, on the other side of our module, you'll find a USB Type-C, which will connect directly into one of our 3 harnesses here, and depending on your dash cam model, the other side will connect right into it and power it up immediately. And once you have that done, use this double-sided tape, apply it onto the module, apply it onto the windshield, and that's it, guys. Super easy, literally takes minutes, and you'll have your dash cam that's been sitting in your bookshelf for the longest time now inside your vehicle. Our kit is compatible with a lot of popular vehicles today, including the Tundra, Tacoma, 4Runner, and a bunch of Lexus vehicles as well. To get the most updated application, go ahead and visit our website, beatsonicusa.com. We're gonna be increasing our application as time goes by, and it's actually ready to purchase at the moment. It's in here, stock in California. The price is $49, which will save you tons of headaches, saves you tons of time, and you'll be able to enjoy your dash cam right away as soon as you get it at your footsteps. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We love to hear from you, or you can email us at info@beatsonicusa.com. And if you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. See you guys on the next video.